everybody, and good morning. It is December 2nd. Everything here has thawed out for the time being. I was out here looking at these chickens and I realized that like our younger chicks that have been out in the coop never get to go outside and get like dirt and grass and stuff, and that was so sad. And we have our older hens out free ranging, and I was just thinking, oh, I should let them out, it's gonna be so fun. And my husband's like, don't let them out because they're gonna be hard to catch. Long story short, I didn't film an intro to that. I just went ahead and decided that I was gonna let them out, and then I got back up here and I was like, oh, I didn't say anything first. But anyway, those are our younger buff Orpington hens that you're about to see me let out for a little bit. And my husband's like, don't do that, that's a horrible idea, they're gonna be hard to catch, the other chickens are mean. I'm like, no, it's fine, they're gonna have so much fun, like they love pecking at the dirt and they need some grass and bugs, like let them out. So I let them out. And you'll see it wasn't the best idea. It wasn't the worst, but it wasn't the best idea either. But anyway, I forgot to say something before I went ahead and did that. So I came back to say something about it. But it's December 2nd and I was out here with the chickens, and I thought I'd show you guys me trying to let the babies out. I'm a little protective of them. They're cute, they're nice. We're planning on having them for a few years. I'm trying to keep them cute and nice. And go ahead, we'll go back in the house. Come on now. We go back inside. And I was trying to keep them all friendly, but it didn't work. Get on. Come back. Oh no. Get up. You're mean. No, man. You're mean. Get on. Get on. Leave my babies alone. Get on. You two. You get out. Get up. Oh my goodness. I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Come on, honey. Oh no, I'm never gonna catch it. All right, come here, honey. I know they're not very nice to you. Come here. Let me get you, honey. Come here. Come here. Oh goodness. Oh man. Come on, honey. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna take you back to your friends. Can you be safe? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh no, they're so mean. Where's my baby? Honey, come back. Come back. Oh no.
One eternity later.
I caught her. So, turns out the old chickens are mean. Okay, so I got them all back in the run there. I'm sorry. heck, y'all. I apologize. Sorry. Sorry. Attention. You go. Sorry. Sorry. Why are you so mean? Huh? Why are you so mean? You're mean too. Why are you so mean? Why? Why are you so mean? I'd run away too. I'd be ashamed of myself. You're so mean. My babies, and you tried to eat them. I would feel shameful too. I would. Y'all think about what you did. That's it. So thanks for watching along with us today. And sorry again to my chickens. I didn't mean for you to get pecked at. Especially the rooster raptor there. He protected his girls. He did his job. But I don't really want him protecting them from my other chickens because I don't want them to get pecked either. But thank you guys for watching along, and I'll get you on the next one. You put yourself in timeout in the barn? You thinking about how you behaved? Are you going to think about it? Yeah, you do need to be in timeout. You were mean to those babies.